In front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2T. In this video I will show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant and enter voice match. Now enable OK Google, tap next, agree, OK Google, OK Google, OK Google, OK Google.